Right. Audible?
हेलो। गुड इवनिंग पायलट्स, am I audible? I can't hear you. Okay, thank you. So we'll wait for another 2 minutes and then we'll start. Good evening.
गुड इवनिंग सर। गुड इवनिंग सर।
हेलो।
गुड
यस
इवनिंग सर।
कीर्ति। गुड इवनिंग। मुझे आवाज स्पीकर से क्यों आ रहा है? जस्ट अ मोमेंट।
हेलो सर।
हेलो।
यस सर।
अब आ रहा है।
हाँ।
गुड। हम्म।
हेलो।
हेलो, बोलिए।
सर एक चीज पूछना था।
हम्म।
जैसे सर जो कैंडल जो आज की क्लोज हुई थी 1 आवर की,
हम्म।
हमें उसी पे कंसीडर कर लेना चाहिए या फिर क्लोजिंग का हमें डे क्लोजिंग का वेट करना चाहिए?
बैंक निफ्टी का बोल रहे हो आप?
हाँ हाँ, मतलब ऐसी सिचुएशन में क्या करना चाहिए था?
लेट मी चेक। मैंने चार्ट चेक नहीं किया। जस्ट अ मोमेंट। हम्म।
नहीं नहीं, जस्ट फॉर एन आइडिया, जैसे हमारा 53,000 53,200 समथिंग था पहला वाला लाइन जो हमारा बॉर्डर था, राइट?
हम्म। तो उसके
अगर
ऊपर क्लोज
सपोज दैट,
दिया है कि नहीं डेली?
नहीं नहीं, दिल्ली तो शायद दिया है दिल्ली तो दिया है।
हाँ, तो हो गया ना। दिल्ली में बहुत सारे आवरली आ जाएंगे।
नहीं नहीं, मैं ये तो मुझे लास्ट में 3:15 3:30 पे मालूम चला है ना।
हाँ।
बट जो आज का जो रन था ना, मैंने पूरा मतलब अवॉइड ही कर दिया उस रन को। तो अगर ऐसा सिचुएशन इन फ्यूचर 1 आवर की कैंडल पे क्लोज कर जाए,
हम्म।
है ना, उसके ऊपर, तो मुझे एक्सेप्ट कर लेना चाहिए उस फ्रेम को या नहीं?
जब इस इस बाउंड्री को कनेक्टेड वाला कैंडल है ना, कोई भी वो बन जाएगा
हाँ,
तो एक्सेप्ट करना है।
कनेक्टेड
आज
बोले
भी
तो?
कनेक्टेड वाला नहीं रहेगा। इसका मतलब अभी ये बाउंड्री पे बना है, आधा अंदर आधा बाहर है ना।
नहीं दिख नहीं रहा मुझे, चलो मैं देखती
ओके,
हूँ, चेक करके।
मैं शुरू करूंगा तब ये इस टॉपिक पे भी आ
ओके
जाएंगे हम लोग।
ओके ओके।
Currently I'm looking for something else, just a moment.
हाँ, नो नो प्रॉब्लम।
ये क्या करने जा रहा था? हाँ सॉरी, पीपीटी। ओके।
कीर्ति मैम,
यस सर, कौन?
मनराज बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ, मनराज से बताइए।
आपने आर पावर का देखा? जैसे ही उन लोग का डेप्थ क्लियर का न्यूज आया, 2 दिन में उसने पूरा कवर कर लिया अपना।
आर पावर मैंने नहीं देखा, सॉरी। मैं देखती हूँ। आर पावर का आई थिंक ना सर ने चार्ट भी डाला था, राइट?
हाँ हाँ, इसीलिए मैंने होल्ड किया था उसको। मैंने 36.6 पे उठाया था। फिर वो अराउंड को 27 तक नीचे गया। फिर अभी रिसेंटली 3 दिन पहले न्यूज आया कि उसने जो भी अपना डेप्थ था सब क्लियर कर दिया। उसके बाद जो 3 दिन में भागा है, सीधा बाइंग प्राइस पे पहुंच गया।
मतलब सर ने आई थिंक 32 के समथिंग दिया था, राइट? या 36 ही दिया था?
सर ने पहले दिया था, शायद मैंने बाय 36 पे किया, ऐसा कुछ हुआ है।
आई थिंक सर ने भी 36 पे ही बोला था।
ओके, चलो।
याद नहीं, सॉरी।
Is it visible now? Screen is
यस,
visible.
इट इज
यस
Yes,
सर।
विजिबल।
sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So let's begin with our session about stocks. We have conducted many sessions for index. This is the first full proof session which we are going to conduct for stocks in detailed session. Just a moment, I am missing one participant. Let me inform. Okay. Is my screen visible again? Okay. So majorly, I am claiming in this session that learn FI's unnoticed secrets in shadow trading workshop. So this shadow trading workshop is nothing but we are copying or we are stealing what FIs are doing with the market. If FIs are buying, we are buying. If FIs are selling, we are not selling in stocks, we are selling in indices. So I'm saying transform your stock market results from for 6 7 digit. It looks like impossible thing, 6 7 digit. And to make this happen, we need also a good capital, which is I call it as an if you have good capital and if you are not able to take trade which has a ultimate potential to your capital, then you can start taking those trades. So suppose you are trading with 1 lakh, even using your 1 lakh you can start building 5 digit returns per month. Okay, returns in next 5 days using my two lines theory. Why I am calling this as an my two lines theory? Because I have spent good amount of time in defining or developing this theory. Okay, so I have tested forward testing. What is the purpose or what is why the outcome is so strong? Because I have never back tested anything. What is a what is missing in back testing is an sentiment or emotion. I'll give you an very quick example which has recently happened. This one. So this is Bank Nifty chart. What is the outcome of forward testing and why forward testing is way more different than backward testing? So normally if you look into the chart is not giving us a clue what is going to happen. Okay, and this looks like pretty abnormal, but it is highly manipulated chart. Believe me, there are two lines present on this chart, and if I'm mentioning about these two lines, now we are referring to lines which are present on daily chart. I'm going to demonstrate you how powerful these lines are. So when the market is moving up and when the market is moving down, why exactly it is making some dents. That is what we are going to study. So, huh? Just a moment. Okay. 6486. Consider this as an 6480. So when the market is moving up and when the market is moving down, in this specific case, if you are reading chart with two lines theory, what you can clearly observe from any top, just mark this 6480, 4328. Okay, I'll just create a replica of this without a number. Still some participants are joining. So this is 6480. So I'm showing you the effect of forward testing and why outcome is not same. And these two numbers are multiples of 2160. So 2160 is the range. Array, what I'm doing. If at any moment you are not able to understand anything, just let me know. 2160 is the distance between two lines on hourly chart. We are currently looking into daily so that everything should fit into it. So if we multiply by this by 2, we get 4320. This is this range. And if we are multiply this by 3, so I am going to add one more 2160 in this. Then we are going to get number 6480. And now we are going to see the significance of these numbers. So the market while coming down, it is coming down only by 4,320 points. At this spot, it has came down 2 times. So from here till this point, from here till this point. From any high, it is coming down to exactly 4,320 points. Even on election day, it came down for 4,320 points. And that is what we were expecting in forward testing, that even this time it should come down to 4,320 points. And we waited for the reversal. After certain movement, we again waited for the price to come to this level. But because of some reason, any random reason, I'm still not aware of the reason, the price has closed above this point. Okay. So we have tested this multiple times, you can see. And at this moment, if we applied the technique, I have lost around 5 lakhs in this, which I have gained. So I have gained in this, I have gained 7 lakhs. In this, I have gained 6 lakhs. In this, I have gained again 5 lakhs. In this, I have lost 5 lakhs in forward testing. And why I am testing with huge money? Because I am currently testing with quantity which is more than 500 or 600. Okay. every time it is going up from the low, as this was the first break which came above this. So then from any low, it is exactly coming to 6,470. Can you see this? 6,470, 480, 6,480. This is again 6,480. This is again 6,480. And even after election day, it went for 6,480. Okay, exactly toggling between these two lines. It has cheated us at this point and we have to lose some money. It is still okay. So the next bull run will start, and now the projection, once the price is closed above this, we are looking for 56,000. Can you see this number? 55,988. So this is the effect of forward testing, and today we are going to apply this in stocks. So in forward testing, now you will realize, or you, if you have traded in this phase, if you are traded in this phase, actually those were part of two lines already, you have understood the pain in trading this or trading this or trading this, and gain or peaceful journey when the stock is moving up, peaceful journey when the stock is moving up. Even this journey would be peaceful. This was again painful, but this pain was added for some event, because of some event. So for 4th June, they wanted to create a fall. That's the reason pain was technically added into this. And the moment fall has happened, it has again rise to completely different level. Right? Yes, yes, sir. It was very painful journey, but forward testing is a phase where if this kind of scenario is coming in future, then you are not going to lose good amount of money. Trading with single lot is still okay. Trading with multiple lot. Currently, I am testing my patience on higher side so that I can share this insight with you in coming future. So whatever I am sharing with you, you need to do it with single lot or a basic quantity. What is basic quantity? We are going to cover everything in stock session. But these two lines will be helpful for you in investing in stock sessions. So what we are going to cover? So as prices went above, we can consider the price has now capacity to move to 56,000. That is what is currently visible in the chart. We are not going to discuss about index right now. We, if if we get time at the end of the session, we will visit this topic again. Okay. What is going to cover? What we are going to cover today? So here I am mentioning learn the subtle or learn the art. Subtle is the word which you should apply later, or you wish you should think of later. But shadow trading, focus on the shadow trading. Shadow means someone is doing something and we are copying that, and we have selected that someone as an FI. Why FI? Because no one else in the market have that power. So I am trader. Very low volume. Is my volume low for everyone or only for sir?
No, sir, it is
No,
okay.
it's clear.
No, sir, it's clear.
Clear. Let me try to increase microphone volume. Is it audible? Gopinath sir, is it audible for you? Okay, fine. So I am saying I am trader, analyst, and founder of Two Lines Club. Yeah. So applicable to stocks, index, commodities, and forex. Focus on one thing right now. Don't jump into index, commodity, or forex until and unless you are spending good amount of time in any one instrument. So if you are starting with stock, give your 2.5 months. I have also covered capital and risk management techniques. The risk management techniques, what we are going to cover is way powerful than any other technique which is currently present in the market. Believe me. and I also want your feedback whether it is powerful or not. Must have skill for all the investor and traders. Why? Because we are covering every type of, every style of trading. If you are scalper, if you are intraday trader, swing trader, positional trader, everything we are going to cover. Scalping in stock, very powerful technique we have. Just stay tuned. We are going to cover this in coming days. So we are going to conduct this level 0 session where we have limited time of 2 hours. So mostly I am going to touch many of the points. If we want to go into depth of it, may not be possible for me. So on those moments I'll just explain you in short. But if you want to understand this in depth, then we have some level 1 sessions, and those are happening on weekends. It covers all future and option strategies, option buying, option writing, multiple leg strategies. But my focus is basically on single leg option buying, that is naked option buying. Once you overcome this naked option buying and you can sustain or you can keep your capital safe, then you can switch to any other thing. Okay, then you are master. Forget, just ignore the dates. So last session which I had conducted, which was 6-7 months back. Forget about these numbers. But quickly, some participants started making 4 digit, some 5 digit line, some 6 digit, and even 7 digit. This is 1 day profit, and they have tested this for the first time in their life for the first 6 digit. I guess for this Feb month, you made. I asked that person first 6 digit profit, and now it is 7 digit. So he said yes. This was, he has spent good amount of time in market, but he could test 6 and 7 digit profit first time in his entire life. Okay, so this is also going to happen to you. Just keep patience. So when I talk about stocks, ultra simple stocks, stock mastery. What is ultra simple? You are provided with the opportunity window tool, which is going to give you a peaceful entry and exit in any of the stock. Select sector selection criteria, stock screening and filtering is covered, watch list preparation is covered, perfect position sizing. No one in current ecosystem which could provide you a definition of perfect position sizing. Believe me, your position is so perfect that if it is going to give you a dent or give you a loss, this loss will never goes out of control, and it is not going to take a small, even small portion of your capital. How is it possible? I am going to cover that. Same risk at any buying price. What is same risk at any buying price? So you can buy at 100 rupees, you can buy at 200 rupees or 500 rupees. You are not going to lose more than what you have decided. And there is an logical reasoning I am going to give you. And again, no one in the market. Normally, people talk in terms of random numbers. Take 100 quantity. When your target is achieved, 50% quantity, reduce 50% quantity. This is highly illogical. If you are following this, I'm not blaming anyone, but if you are following this, then you are not aware of the numbers. Stock market is a numbers game. And if you know how to handle the numbers, you can scale your potential to any level. So by the end of this 5 days, I am guaranteeing you from my side that you will feel that you have an experience of around 10 to 20 years of stock market expert. Bucket management, very important topic. How to identify the right bucket and how to identify right stocks in that bucket. Averaging, pyramiding, and FIP. No, you are aware of SIP, but SIP is a legal fraud. That is what I can say. I am going to prove you how, why it is legal fraud and why you should do FIP. What is the full form of FIP? FI as investment plan. We should follow FI as investment plan, not the systematic investment plan. Systematic investment plan is the systematic for government, not for us retailers. So government has defined something where they can systematically get your fund in the market and they can generate good amount of money out of it. and they are giving you happiness by returning some returns. Also, they are paying to fund managers from your pocket, not from their pocket. Averaging. When to average? When to pyramid? Pyramiding is a kind of averaging where you have profitable position and you keep adding in that position. Is it really possible? Yes, it is possible. And when using two line theory, if you are adding anything, if you are pyramiding anything, it is not going to add an additional risk in your position. Imagine this. It is possible. Stock market correction alert. This technique can give you an alert because you are also getting aware of index manipulation. And that index manipulation can help you to stay cautious. Like the alert, recent alert which we got on 4th of June, right? Before 4th of June, if you go from my, if you check our Twitter handle, I don't know whether that is there or not. So this was the position and it is built on the basis of, yes. तो मिल गया फटाफट तो ठीक है, नहीं तो we will, I'll send you the screenshot. I just wanted to show how this alerts. अरे यार, एक बंदे ने मुझे बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज दिया था, तो उसको कुछ आंसर करते करते ट्विटर भर गया. हाँ, this one. Bank Nifty is forecasting election 2024 result. The level 47,800 is an important level which can give a clear clue that election result is, if it is broken, 43,500 soon. So we were expecting 43,500, but then when it broke, most of the participants, or there were many participants in the market expecting a big rally upside, but we were exactly expecting a fall till this point, but fall has control at this level. And in two lines, if anything is controlled at minus 2x or minus 1x from the top, it has a different significance. And even during run time, during market hours, when the fall started, where is that? I'll also check that post.
अरे आपके पोस्ट दिखते क्यों नहीं है हमें?
आपने क्या मार्क करके रखा है या नहीं, मतलब फॉलो किया तो दिखने चाहिए.
एक्चुअली ना, मुझे ट्विटर ज्यादा हैंडल करना नहीं आता।
उसने ट्विटर पे सिर्फ मुझे फॉलो कर दो तो आपको दिखना शुरू हो जाएगा, ऐसा मुझे
नहीं,
लग
आप
रहा है.
फॉलो फॉलो तो हैं आप, बट आपके अपडेट्स नहीं मिलते हैं।
मैम
जब आपकी
नोटिफिकेशन, सारे नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कीजिए
हाँ,
ना पहले।
सी,
नहीं, ऑन है सारे
नहीं,
नोटिफिकेशंस।
पहले चेक कर लीजिए सारे के सारे ऑन है कि नहीं।
शायद नोटिफिकेशन ऑन नहीं
सर की
रहेगा तो हो
प्रोफाइल
सकता.
में जाके।
सर के प्रोफाइल में जाके चेक कीजिए।
Okay. So on 4th of June, try to understand this. We are in live market and the timing is 12:40. And the market was crashed from this point to this point. I was peacefully handling my position, which was created in index. So something fishy in Bank Nifty. If closing above this green arrow, mark the line, that means it is a trap, and if any reversal closed above this, then says BJP will definitely form a government, and we can see 3 times reverse rally. Reverse rally is on the upper side and 3 times of this dabba, and this should happen, this should not happen in a day, and then this covered some days, and the result is here. Where is that result? I'll show you the result, but the check the timing of the post. What is the timing? 12:40, 4th June. And then this is 12:40. Hourly में पता चलेगा ना. So I'm not showcasing my skills, but what I'm showcasing is clues which market is giving to us, and these clues are going to help us. So at this point, What is 1240? This is 1240 something. Here in this candle, I'll go for 5 minutes. थोड़ा सा बेयर कीजिए. सितंबर 4 जून था ना, बहुत दूर चला गया ना. 4 महीना आगे आ गया हम लोग एट दिस पॉइंट. सो 1240 इज दिस, राइट है. हाँ, 4 जून 1240 इज दिस. एट दिस पॉइंट, एग्जैक्टली एट बॉटम, I could analyze and post कि अभी market will not go more down, but it will go for the 3 times of 2160 upside. So this is 2 times down, exactly taken some halt, and from this point, it is going till this point. And in this also, if you are checking what are the dents, so we have another number which says it is 750 points dents only. Exact